Chances are you know someone affected by skin cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, it's the most common type of cancer in the U.S. Early diagnosis is an important factor in treatment. Today, Altus Cancer Center hosted a free skin cancer screening while celebrating survivors. KFDM's Haley Buell reports a message one patient wants you to hear and how you can lessen your chances of getting the disease.
It's a culprit of one of the most common cancers, the sun. Steve Reichert spends plenty of time working under it.
As is common for a lot of men who spend a lot of time outdoors, will develop what's called keratosis, little patches on hands, ear tips, nose, head, whatever, any uncovered skin from ultraviolet damage.
Last year, he noticed growth on top of his head. It was skin cancer.
It's when we wait too long and let it get out of hand that you end up having the top of your head cut off, if that's where the cancer is.
With support from the Altus Foundation and his doctor, he was able to have surgery. Now he's getting ready for radiation treatment.
Well, with Steve's case, it reiterates many of the problems that we've seen before. If you treat the skin cancers early, they're usually very treatable and not really a big ordeal to take care of the problem. The bigger they get, the more complicated it is to resect the skin cancer.
Dr. Benjamin Beckert is trying to catch it early. He's one of several doctors screening patients for free at the Altus Cancer Center.
Skin cancers are a very common cancer that we see, and oftentimes it's unrecognized.
He says one risk factor you can control is exposure to ultraviolet radiation.
If you are going to be out in the sun, and everybody loves to be outside in the sun in Southeast Texas, that's why we live here, protect yourself.
By staying out of tanning beds, wearing sunscreen and protective clothing, and limiting time in the sun.
Get checked early, get checked often. If you're spending a lot of time out in the sun.
Time Steve Reichert is now spending fighting cancer. In Beaumont, Haley Buell, KFDM 6 News.
The event also celebrated cancer survivors as part of National Cancer Survivors Day.